Hi everyone, a short video on the bloodbath in the stock market on Monday in AI and energy stocks. You probably saw this. NVIDIA dropped 17%. NVIDIA has obviously been the darling of the whole AI business. Fell 17%. The market cap of NVIDIA in one day fell by $465 billion. Just staggering numbers. Before I get to this, if you don't know me, my name is Robert Bryce. I'm a reporter. I've been writing about energy and power for more than 30 years. I give you the numbers and the facts, not the spin about energy and power. Okay, so what's the bottom line? I think the irrational exuberance around AI has finally caught up with the market. Remember, that was a line that was coined by the former Fed chairman, Alan Greenspan, talking about the stock market. What we've seen in AI and energy stocks that are supposedly going to benefit from AI have had massive run-ups in price over the last few months. And that has been corrected. Why? Because a Chinese company called DeepSeek has now become the hottest thing in the AI business. Their model, and I just was using it just a minute ago, is really good and it's free. And so consumers can use it. It's open source. There's a lot of it. You can adopt the code yourself. And this has completely spooked the market, which has been throwing massive amounts of money into companies like ChatGPT, and of course OpenAI and Perplexity and all these other ones, Anthropic, I think, which is anyway, there's a ton of them. You know this. So what has happened in the stock prices? Well, let me just give you the number. I already mentioned NVIDIA. Gas pipeline companies, Kinder Morgan down 9%, Williams down 8%, Energy Transfer down 5%, GE Vernova, which makes gas turbines, natural gas-fired turbines, down 21%, Constellation and Vistra, two independent power producers. Constellation was down 21%, Vistra was down 28%. Now, is this all an overreaction? I can't tell you. I'm not going to predict prices in the stock market. Prices go up, prices go down. But what I think is clear is that the investors in the market have forgotten what is the story of the computing business, which is throughout, since the first days of ENIAC, where the machine, that was the first major computer, first general purpose computer, it used so much power when they flipped it on. It was at the University of Pennsylvania. Lights in the neighborhood would dim because it used so much power. That is the history of the computing age, is that the computers get more and more efficient and draw smaller and smaller amounts of power. And now what we're seeing with OpenSeek is not necessarily a massive increase in efficiency, although I think that's part of it. It's just that this AI may not need, or probably won't need, as much power as everyone has been assuming. And that's why we saw these massive corrections today. So I'll stop there. I wrote about this on my Substack just the other day in a piece called 4 Reasons to be Skeptical About OpenAI's $500 billion Stargate project. And it's on my Substack. You know where to find me. It's robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.